Edo Deputy Governor Right Honourable Comrade Philip SHAIBU don carry waka go for one courtesy visit to the former Bender Insurance Technical Advisor Coach Alabi Aisien. Oga SHAIBU come talk say dem suppose dey celebrate our heroes all the time, not be only when dem no dey again, but when they dey alive too, for their ogbonge contribution and sacrifice to bring peace and unity for the country. E come still talk say when dem first dey look for consultant, Oga Alabi name be the first name dem mention, and when they beg am to dey available for dem, e agree. Oga SHAIBU come still talk say
we will have to learn from where we are coming from. And the only way we can learn from where we are coming from is to tap from the wisdom of those that created that place we want to even go back to. And your name, obviously, was one of the names that we shortlisted to consult. And not only consulting you, we begged you to be available, and you gladly obliged us, and you became our technical advisor. So today, I'm sure you are very proud that football, both education and Bender Insurance, from that zero level that we took it last season, for the first time in the entire country, a club is unbeaten all through the period of a league. It has never happened in Nigerian league, but it happened last season, where Bender Insurance throughout the league were unbeaten. Edo Queen is now one of the teams to beat. Any team coming to meet Edo Queen must go for extra training when they want to meet Edo Queen. Why? Because we have legends like you to come and consult. And we that are growing up, we're ready to learn from the words of experience from you. So this message to our young ones too, that we should be ready to learn. And our prayers is always for people like you, for God to grant you long life in good health, so that we can always come and tap from your words of wisdom.
Former Bender Insurance Technical Advisor Coach Alabi Aisien come salute give Oga SHAIBU and come talk say na only him and former Governor of Lagos State Fashola Babatude remember am. E come still talk say
nobody remembered me except two people. Former Governor of Lagos State Fashola and your very good self. I've told my children, I've told my grandchildren, and I value you. I value you. For you to come here again now, well, I will also tell my children. If I cannot thank you, they will thank your children. And God bless you. It's not just bringing football or sports back. You remove tension from homes. You remove litigants from the streets. You did a lot to make people feel comfortable through sport. But coming to football itself, there's something you did that is still missing in the whole country. You believe in culture building into sports. And that is why we have good players at national level and we don't have a team. Sport is based on culture and scientific know-how. And you were the only person that I've really seen working in that direction. Someday, sometime, if God permits, we'll sit down with you and discuss sports generally in your life. Because I see you now looking very, very smart, and I'm going to beg you not to play football again. Because you did it, and you boost the morale of the team. Today, Bender Insurance is coming back. It's coming back. We have to be careful. Football is arts and science. the kinesthetic movement, and the biomechanics. If we don't combine the two, we will not have fans. We have to play some attractive football to bring the fans back. I hope I will have the opportunity to discuss this with you in the very near future.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.